Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl, the Ric Flair of crypto, in the house, guys. Bring you crypto love from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys having a good day in Asia, and you guys are probably winding down your day. And everybody in Europe, good afternoon, and everybody in the Middle East, good afternoon to you too, and everybody in India, Africa, wherever you guys are, good afternoon, and even people in the Maldives. I got some people in the Maldives watching this. Maldives is a beautiful place. I used to live in the Maldives for a little bit. It was a really great place, living on the island. Wow, fantastic, guys. And everybody in America, wakey, guys. So a lot of you are probably wondering what's going on right now. You're seeing that the total market cap is just kind of having like a bit of a flash dump. It's around about 3.36%. It could be a little bit higher. It could be a little bit less by the time that this video is released and you're watching. So, and also the other thing is we're seeing that right now, we're seeing that the altcoins are not really moving. Okay, and this is quite interesting. When we have Bitcoin dominance is now over 43%, and this is very interesting because when we see Bitcoin dominance increasing, and we see the altcoins not really moving, this is going to tell us something. This is telling us that Bitcoin is about to explode, guys. Bitcoin is about to make a huge run to the upside. So that's what's happening, and this is typical. We've seen this over and over again. And guys, don't forget to check out my merch. Get the mug to mug. I love the mug to mug. Coffee tastes better. I can confirm that. I got some beautiful coffee in here, and it just tastes better in the mug. I don't know why. I guess it's because the OG mug is full of love. Love the mug, and the mug will love you. No, it's a great life to live. Yeah. So no, we've seen this in the past where you'll see that Bitcoin dollars will increase and will go up, and the altcoins either just go stagnant or they start to go down. And a lot of newbies, they start panicking now. I mean, my WhatsApp group, I've got I think a couple hundred members in there, the WhatsApp group. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I got to say that, else I'm going to get myself in trouble. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You have to do your own risk management, and make sure that you do your own risk management due diligence in any coin or any project you're thinking about investing on. This video is just for education, entertainment purposes only. So often we see that when Bitcoin starts to have a huge run up and a huge run up to the upside, we often see this behavior where suddenly the Bitcoin dollars will go up, the altcoins will start to go down. Sure, there's going to be some outliers, some projects that will go up, like Doge is doing pretty good. We're seeing a lot of altcoins going down, but Doge is Dogecoin on the moon is still in the green, guys, and that's looking pretty good, pretty bullish. So that's what's happening. The other reasons that we're going to talk about, there's been some, you can see that the pre-markets are down a lot, and then there's also some interesting news happening around Taiwan right now that's also affecting the pre-markets as well. So we're seeing the pre-markets are down. We're seeing some troubling news that's coming out of China regarding Taiwan. That could be a risk. A lot of people are getting Yiddish. And also we're seeing that the oil price looks like it's about to spike, guys. So all these things culminated together is creating a little bit of catalyst. And we're seeing a lot of selling now. We're seeing a lot of people selling their old coins, particularly the new retailers. New retail investors, they're selling their coins because they think that they're going to dump. And it's pretty typical. Before you have Bitcoin has a huge run, like I said, you're going to see the altcoins just kind of go sideways and do nothing, and then there's going to be some panic selling. I know there's going to be panic selling because all my members on my group are going, what's up, guys? You got to stop psyching yourself out. Please stop it, because we're only talking about a 3 to 4, maybe 5% dip. By the time this video gets there, it's up in crypto land. There's nothing, guys. And if you're one of these people that just keep taking your phone and keep looking at your portfolio, every 5 seconds, I can tell you something right now. You're not going to be successful in this business. You're going to psych yourself out. You're going to lend yourself to emotional trading, and you're going to do things that you wish you never did. So you might be seeing some of the altcoins going down now, and we're going to jump into that. And you're going to start selling because you think it's the end, right? Okay. Mistake. Don't do it. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go back and watch all my other content. And AMC, they're accepting Dogecoin and accepting crypto payments, so that's cool, guys. Cool beans. So guys and gals, if you love the OG and you love this channel, don't forget to go right down there, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, YB. And me, I just try to bring it to you straight up. I'm not gonna go crazy, and I just bring the straight news, guys. So these are some of the reasons why we're seeing why we're seeing this big drop right now. One, we see the Dow futures is down right now. It's down over 384 points, guys. So it means that when the stock market opens in the U.S., it's going to be bad. It's going to be bad, and that's probably going to take the cryptos down even further, guys. Initially, because we're seeing that there's more, as I said earlier, there's more of a decoupling right now between the Dow and broader markets and crypto space. So there's some distance, but you're going to get an initial and then a correction back up in crypto very fast. So don't worry about it. S&P is down 56 points and Nasdaq futures are down. Also, so what we're saying that this is also something that's happening. We have the Chinese military activity near Taiwan increasing risks of accidents, says analysts. So every year, the China does these exercises near the Taiwanese border, and they're rattling the sabers, and Taiwan doesn't like it, and then there's increasing recognition that Washington needs to invest more military, diplomatic, economic resources to deter Beijing from taking any actions to change Taiwan's de facto autonomy. So that China and Taiwan, they kind of have this ongoing thing. China thinks that Taiwan is part of China, and Taiwan thinks they're autonomous. So I'm not going to get into that. That's not my thing. But yeah, so this is also creating a little bit of negativity, particularly in the Asian markets. You're seeing that a lot of the Asian markets are down right now, and that's because of this, guys. So those are some things. And then also we're seeing this as well. Dow futures drop 200 points, pointing to continue to choppy October. So this is happening, and as I just showed you, it's not 200 points, it's like 389 points right now. So look at the Dow futures. Dow futures now down 360, so it's bad, guys. Coffee tastes good in the mug, so get the mug, guys, get the mug. And so those are the reasons we're having this flash crash. So if you look at the total market cap right now, you can see exactly as I said, the total market cap is at 1.59 trillion, and we were at 2.21 trillion earlier today. You can go back and watch my videos, and we're down almost 3.26%. So we're seeing things drop accordingly, and but the volumes are still big, so people are selling. People are actually selling right now. So there's a little bit of panic selling. Let me just update that for you. A little bit of panic selling going on right now. So you can see that here the total market cap here is 1.20, and the total market cap here is 2.16. So this is more accurate than this one, because this is an aggregate. So this is going to be a little bit of a lag between the update. So right now the total market cap is 2.16, but the Bitcoin dominance is very high, guys. And when this happens, when Bitcoin dominance starts to go up like this, and and we have these sudden crashes, and we see the altcoins are not doing very well. You can see, look at Ethereum. It's down. And look at Ethereum. Ethereum is underperforming Bitcoin. This tells me that Bitcoin is going to have a huge run. BNB is down. Ethereum is at 3,363. It's down. Bitcoin is still at 50,688. We went up to high as 51,000 today. So we're seeing that also ADA is down almost 4.5%. It's $2.13. I did say that we would be breaking down below the $2.15 mark. Solana is just like, and I did say that Solana is going to be breaking down earlier, and that you guys should take precautions. And it's down almost 8% at $154. My Doge right now, my Doge is resilient. Doge is at up 4%. And look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is only up 1%. So Doge is outperforming, guys. Doge is doing really good. So you guys, if you're holding Doge, you should be happy. DOT is down 7.42%, and that's at 29.49. Luna is also down 9%, 9.8, almost 10% now, and the SHIB is also going down as well. The ship is sinking for the ship. So guys, don't beat me up, the Shiba holder. So I would suggest, my advice would be, lock in your profits. This is not financial advice, but lock in your profits. If you're holding SHIB, lock in your profits. Let me repeat that in air quotes. Lock in your profits now. Okay? So don't cry in the comments tomorrow when you start to see this start to go red. Okay, so you're seeing that overall most of altcoins are down. Look at Adam. So guys, I know a lot of you are like, oh gee, what's going on? You're looking at your phones going, my $4 thinking. My advice, this is not financial advice, this is what I'm doing. Do absolutely nothing. Wait. November, you're going to see the altcoins absolutely rock. They could be, 4x, 5x, 10x in some cases. So don't panic. Don't wet the bed, guys. It's a no big deal. Don't psych yourselves out. Stop looking at your portfolio. I mean, if you want, what I would be doing right now, you look through here, and anything that is a negative number for the last week right now, you could pick up. Like Avalanche, pick it up. Remember, this is not financial. Atom, pick it up. Anything that's negative in over the week, pick it up. Also, you can go back and look over the month. Anything that's hugely deflated over the month, pick up some ADA. ADA is still going to go to the moon, guys. So with that being said, guys, just don't panic. So let's take a look at some of the news woozy in house. So we got this Twitter out here, and this is from, who's this from? This is from Luis Sanchez in the house. So he's saying that based on the 4-hour time frame fractal on Binance, that he's saying that right now we have this whole huge descending triangle. We have this Elliott wave formation here, and he's saying that we're going to be seeing ourselves going up to around about I think he said like 70 cents. Let me just check. So he said that going up to 50 cents. So I think that Dogecoin is going to make its way up to 50 cents very soon. And the way I'm looking at it here is let me get where's my Doge chart? There's my Doge chart. The way I'm looking at it here is I'm looking more on a different time frame. This is a daily chart, so I'm looking that we're going to be getting ourselves up to around about 19th of October. We could see ourselves going past 33 cents. So I see this kind of extending itself kind of up in this area. So I don't think we're going to definitely get to 50 cents, but it's not going to be anytime soon. I think that by the end of October, we could see 45 cents, 50 cents coming in easy. But right now, this is where I really trace and where I think that Doge is going. So right now, Doge is still trading at 24.59, 0.2459. So it's looking pretty good, guys. Doge is being very resilient overall. So you guys shouldn't panic about it. Doge is being very resilient, and it's looking pretty good. So let me get my face out of my. Let me get this chart. I don't know what's wrong with these charts. I'm having bad luck with the charts today. So we have this huge descending triangle that went all the way from May, and this is the baseline that goes all the way back in the 12th of April. So if we break out from here to here, let's just measure that breakout. Let's take a look at that. Where's my tool? There we go. So if we break out from the top to bottom, let's call that right here, and we take that. And we measure that to point of breakout. Let me move it here so we can see it. That will take us, and let's say the point of breakout happens right here. That will take us up to 84 cents, guys, if we break out. That's not going to happen until probably, November, first week in December. But we could see ourselves moving up to 84 cents, guys. So that's kind of interesting. I'm pretty hopeful. I've been calling it right recently. I've been doing pretty good in terms of my TA and seeing where things go. But I think in the short term, we're probably going to see, 21st October. Conservatively, I think we'll get ourselves over 33, 34 cents. Maybe we might even get back up to the 35 cent area. So that's where I'm seeing it conservatively. So don't worry, don't panic, guys. And Doge is going to get there. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys are going nuts right now. So as I talked about earlier, AMC Theaters debut crypto payments for e-gift cards. So better get the coffee, guys. So basically what's happening right now is you can use crypto. You can use Dogecoin to buy AMC tickets. Not directly. You cannot go to the theater and buy tickets. You got to go on their website, and then you got to use BitPay to buy gift cards. And then when you got the gift cards, you take the gift cards to the theater. Then you change it to either the world's most expensive hot dog, popcorn, and tickets. So that's how that's working. So they're using BitPay. But it's pretty good, guys. They're pretty good. So they're listening to us. So you can buy stuff with Doge, but and a lot of people are not talking about this, but Doge does have a lot of utility, because a lot of third parties like BitPay, BitPay accepts Doge, so wherever you can use BitPay, you can use Doge. So there's tons of shops out there, and then we have also Verizon and BitPay teaming up. So that's going to allow about 45 million transactions to happen on a yearly basis, guys, through those POS terminals. So that's going to be really good. So Mr. Wonderful's crypto allocation is now larger than than his gold holdings. So, Mr. Wonderful, Shark Tank, Kevin O'Leary stated that crypto for the first time is more than his gold for me, and he doesn't see the situation where crypto goes away as a result of regulation. And I don't think so either. I mean, I think they're going to take a long time to regulate it. And at the end of the day, they're going to regulate by litigation, and I don't think they have any clear path or framework what and how they're going to regulate. And I just think that regulation is going to be a nothing burger at the end of the day. They're going to go for the low hanging fruit, which is going to be stable coins. Okay, whatever. Whenever they build their CBDC, you won't need stable coin anyways because you use your CBDC. So not a big deal for me. And also, Gensler has said that Bitcoin and Ethereum don't fall under SEC's jurisdiction anyway, so if you're holding those, don't worry about it. And then all the other coins like Doge and stuff, I wouldn't worry about. They're not going to be regulated. The other thing is we got a whole bunch of catalysts coming out. We got the ETF coming out in October. Also, too, we have the XRP case. I mean, I don't like XRP. Don't beat me up in the comments. And but if XRP wins that case against the SEC, this will be a very big deal for crypto. And it could send crypto to the moon right now. So yeah. Don't forget to check out the merch, get the mug full of love, and don't forget to smash the likes. Go down there, smash the likes, guys. And I know a lot of you are like, oh, Debbie Downer. Don't be Debbie Downers, guys. Don't be Debbie Downers. I mean, remember, live your life like every second is your last one, and make every second count, guys. Because we're not getting any younger. I mean, look at the OG now. So I got gray hair. I'm not getting younger, guys. I'm not getting younger. And it's rainy season right now here where I am in Vietnam. I'm about 2.5 hours from Saigon by car. And then we're in a coastal town. It's a big shipping town. So every day off my balcony, I'm seeing these huge container ships go by. And we're still in semi-lockdown here. I've been in semi-lockdown since July 15th or 14th, something I forgot now. So it's lucky I'm not like pulling my hair out. But yeah, I'm not getting any younger. And you just gotta take every day as it comes, and try to spread the good vibe, guys. I mean, I try not to be vitriolic when I talk to people. I try to be positive, even though I'm not so happy that I can't go out. And mobility is really restricted right now. Like I cannot even go to Da Nang area because in Da Nang we have a beautiful seaside apartment inside the Sheraton Hotel there. And we can't go there, and we want to go there, but we can't. We're stuck here. We can't go to our villa just about 1.5 hours from here up the coast. So stuck here. So yeah, we're stuck here in our apartment here in the city I'm staying in, and and our mobility is really, our apartment in Bangkok. Haven't seen that for 2 years. We've been stuck here, and going back to Indonesia, going back to Bali. Stuck here again. So I just can't wait till this whole situation with the what is over, and then life can be back to normal. Because normally our lifestyle would be, what do you want to do today? Talk to the wife. Oh, let's go shopping. Where? Oh, let's go to Bangkok. Let's go to Indonesia. Jakarta has great shopping. If you go to Jakarta, Jakarta is fantastic for shopping. It's even cheaper than Bangkok. So just let you know that. So let's just give you some tidbits of what OG's life is like. So other news that's coming in right now is that Cosmos sees 1 million transfers in a month across their ecosystem. So you can see that the layer one solution, you see that Cosmos is the largest in the space, and it's huge, guys. Cosmos is huge. Atom Cosmos is huge, guys. So you can see that Cosmos cross-chain network has been growing steadily along with other projects that run on top of it, and it's just reached a milestone in terms of activity. So the Interblock Chain Communication Protocol, IBC, which is a backbone of the Cosmos ecosystem, has seen a surge in activity over the past month with more than 1 million transfer log. So this is really important for a crypto token. You need to see activity on the blockchain, and as you see more activity on the blockchain, it means that more users are using, more transaction just means more money flow, and when you have more money flow, prices are going to go up. So this is really cool, guys. So you're seeing that Cosmos Atom is the symbol, guys. So I've been into Atom. I've been holding Cosmos for a long time. I love it, and it's going places. It's absolutely going places. This is one of these long-term holds, like VET, VeChain, long-term hold, guys. Polkadot, smart contract play, long-term hold. Solana, definitely long-term hold. So you guys need to understand some of these projects are super long-term for me. I mean, I'm going to be holding bet forever, man. I mean, it's a great project because, you know, VeChain actually does something. I mean, it actually tracks. It tracks goods from manufacturing from manufacturing to retail. And, you know, particularly for luxury goods, it's very good for luxury goods because, you know, they can tag these luxury goods, and it also prevents fraud, right? Because, you know, people can't, you know, rip off these things in transit because they're being tracked, and also for medical records and stuff like that. So VeChain is awesome. I mean, VeChain is awesome. I love it. I mean, I'm holding on to it. I'm not selling VeChain because I just think it has so much upside and potential that in about 5 years from now, it could be huge, guys. It could be huge. So there's some things to think about. You know, some cryptos you may want to keep it short term, 1 or 2 years, and then there's some other projects that I think are really good project and have really intrinsic value because of what they do. And these are things that you want to hold for a long time, guys. And that's how you can make life-changing wealth, right? Is pick these top projects that are actually going to do something and hold them for a long time, and watch them develop and nurture over a long time and mature. And that's when, you know, when you have these projects that are like, you know, 20 cents, 15 cents. I think VeChain is around about 13 cents right now. You know, something like this, it could be worth like $10, $20 in the future, and or $100, who knows? But, you know, now is a good time to pick it. Look at Harmony. Harmony is a great little pickup. It's a smart contract play. Harmony is very cheap. It's a solid project. They've got good tokenomics, a good team behind them. And, you know, a lot of people talking about Harmony. Harmony is a good play. I mean, I picked up Harmony. I'm not selling my Harmony. Take a look at Harmony, guys. I like Harmony. You know, Harmony's good. Let's just take a look at the price of VeChain and Harmony in the house. You know, let's take a look at VeChain. Where is your VeChain? VeChain. So VET, you know, it's at 10 cents right now. And if we look at Harmony, where's Harmony? Well, let's just search for it. So Harmony token is 1, right? Here we go. Harmony. I love the Harmony. So right now we can see the Harmony price is at market cap is 1.7 billion. So it's not a lightweight. All-time high was 22 cents, and right now it's trading at 16 cents, guys. So Harmony is a good pickup, guys. Absolutely good pickup. I love it. You love it, and you know, check it out, guys. And I think that Harmony still has some room to grow, guys. And it's a long-term hold. It's you know, Harmony is more of an investment than a speculative coin. I think you're gonna love it. I love it. And yeah, check out Harmony. So some other news in the house right now is you can see that the Fear and Greed Index, let me just give this a minute to refresh. There's really not a lot of news out there. It's kind of dry, other than people panicking about this whole big drop. So right now we're still in extreme greed. This is probably gonna drop down to around about 54, 53 area if this dip keeps going on. So let's see if we still got this. Let's see if we still got this dippy dip. Let's see if here's my dippy dip. So let's see. Yeah, we still got the dippy dip. It's unchanged at 1.68 trillion right now, and we're still down. We're still down like 2.87%. So it's coming back a little bit. So with that being said, guys, you know, do not panic. Absolutely do not panic. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour. So you can see right now that Bitcoin, it dropped down to its lowest point around here, and right now from its all-time high that we had earlier today when it was just over 51,000, we can see that it's gone down about 2.54%. So it's just a micro dip, and that's caused by the Dow futures. It's caused by this a little bit of a China-Taiwan tension. So it's nothing to really worry about. And we can see that, you know, Dogecoin is still doing okay. I mean, let me just blow that up for it. I hate this chart. Sometimes these charts, they just don't do what they're not supposed to do. So you can see Doge is trading at 24.50, and it's still okay. We're still in positive territory for the whole day. So I really would not panic about it. So do not panic, guys. Everything's looking good. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum, and something you guys want to know, if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that Ethereum right now is forming a beautiful cup and handle. There's a cup, there's a handle, and if we look at the point of breakout, so if we take a look at the neckline of the cup here, I'm going to do this rough, okay? So the super TA gurus out there, don't beat me up, okay? So that's that. And if we look, let me take that in there. And we take that to the point of breakout, which is, let's say we break out here. You know, that's looking at a $5,000 target, easy for Ethereum. So, you know, Ethereum is looking pretty good on the weekly. Let's go to the daily chart for Ethereum. See how that's faring. Yeah, see how my chart, it just goes all weird, right? So if we look at Ethereum on the daily right now, it's trading at 3,420. We've got this huge red candle here, and that's you know, it would look like we're down like 3.4, almost 4% on the daily right now. We hit a high today of 35.90, got rejected, and so we're, you know, there's some rejection going on. So we got rejected at the $3,500 level, so that's not good. So we were past that earlier, and now we're well below it, and we have some support around about 32.98, guys, so, or 3,300. So don't worry about it. I think for Ethereum, there's a huge breakout imminent. We got that cup and handle on the weekly chart. So, you know, guys, go take a look at that. You can see that right in front of your eyes, that we have the cup and handle pattern on the weekly, and it's setting up for something really huge, guys. Something really huge. Let's take a look at Ethereum on a 4-hour chart, see how that's faring. Let me see here. So as I said to you guys earlier, that we had this ascending triangle, and ascending triangles are typically bearish, guys. So we have broken down exactly as I said, and I said earlier that we're going to be retesting this level. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's just part of this whole cup and handle thing that's forming on a weekly. Don't worry about it. This little bit of, and we're seeing that this, you know, we're down 2 point on this one, and we're down about on the 4-hour 2.27% here. So 7.8. So we're down about almost 4%, guys, for the day, and that's to be expected because Bitcoin just took a bit of a dumpy pumpy, and that's because of the you know, the Dow is down, tensions in Taiwan, and this and that, and also we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance go up, way up. So this just tells me once again that we're looking that Bitcoin's going to make a huge run to the upside, guys, very soon. And let's just take a look at Bitcoin again. So you guys can see here, this is Bitcoin on the 30-minute. Let me change that to the 4-hour time frame. Come on, there we go. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame here, let me get this out of there. We don't need that anymore. So you can see here that we have support around about 50,269. So we did wick all the way down that just a couple minutes ago, a couple hours ago. This was this little mini flash crash, and we got some major support, and now we're going up, guys, and we have some overhead resistance at around about 52,000. So I think we're just going to be range bound probably for the next 24 hours. And then I think that probably, like, today is Wednesday, Asia time, we're probably going to see Friday, we're going to be breaking past the $52,000 area. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's a really nothing burger. But the altcoins are going to start suffering, because this is indicative of Bitcoin is going to make a huge run to the upside. And if you look at where we are in terms of our all-time high is around about 63,000. Let me get that down for you. So our all-time high is around about here, guys. So that's our all-time high. That's the promised land. Let's make that promised land color something really amazing. Let's make it pink. So that's a promised land line. So that's where we need to go. That's our all-time high right there, and we're not too far off, not too shabby. So I think we're going to be getting there. Right now we're only around about just about $13,000 away from it. So that's in terms of Bitcoin. In terms of Bitcoin, that's nothing. That can happen in a flash. So I think we're going to be in, you know, all-time high mode soon. And remember, Plan B did say that we're going to hit 63K closing October, so that's going to be really huge news. And I think, you know, 40 cents for Doge, absolutely incoming. I think we're going to probably get pretty close to 5K, pretty close to maybe 4,750, 5K for Ethereum when that happens, guys. Guys, don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. What do you think? When do you think that Bitcoin's going to hit the all-time high? Is it going to be October? Is it going to be November? And guys, don't forget to check out my merch. Get the mug, guys. Got a little bit of sore throat, so I got to keep drinking some fluids. I'm going to be talking like a horse. And so let's take a look at ADA in the house. ADA has broken down. I told you that it was going to break down. This here, and it's broken down right to the support line right here, $2.15. So I'm just going to leave this green now because I think we're going to be coming back up. And once again, we broke down from that channel. If we can't get above the support line, then the next target for Cardano, we can see $2 incoming. All right, and that'll be a good time to, you know, pick up some Cardano on DCA, dollar cost average, in that. And same with Solana. We're breaking down. I told you that we need to kind of stay in this channel. If not, then we're going to break down. We could go as low as 100 and break down to 154. I did say that, and we've broken down exactly as I predicted. And then we're at 154. right now, guys and gals. Now Solana is doing exactly as I predicted. It's just bizarre. I told you that we would be breaking down. If we broke down below the this triangle here, we'd be going all the way down. So we did go as low as $61, and I'm forecasting that we could probably go as low. I mean, worst case scenario is 49, but I think we're going to be going down to like 55. So I think that we still could have a chance of going down to $55 pretty soon, guys. So with that being said, let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Let me just give this a minty refresh, guys. I mean, this portfolio is for educational purposes only, and it's not financial advice in any shape or form. So here we go. So even though we've had all of this ups and downsies, and now as you know, we've got this, you know, almost 3.5-4% flash crash or mini crash, we're still up 53%. So that's not too shabby, guys, and it's at 2,697 in profit. So it's not good. You know, a lot of people say, "Oh, the OG don't know what he's talking about." OG don't know. Well, you know, numbers don't lie, guys. It's right there in your face. And so far, you know, we're down 2.82% in terms of profit right here. So we're down. But that's okay, and so far we are at $7,697. Remember, we put 5K into, so it's okay, guys. It's okay. You know, where else can you make 53% profit since July 2nd? You know, so July 2nd, right? August, September, October, in 3 months, it's not so bad in 90 days, right? You know, and this is how you make money in crypto. It's not this buying and selling, this panic fever. Looking at your phone every 5 seconds. Yeah, don't do that. You'll psych yourself out, stress yourself out. It's too much work. It's just way too much. Just buy the coins, wait and see. Take your profits. You know, when you up to 100%, like I said, take 20-30% of your profits. When you're up 400%, take 50% of your profits, right? So that's 80, right? So that leaves 20% in there, and then the balance of 20%, you just leave it in there, and that's kind of, I call that my insurance in case it does suddenly go boom and moon. At least you got some. You know, eggs in the basket, or some, you know, skin in the game, as they say. And then what you do with the profits, you got two options with the profits. One, you can put it in stablecoin and wait for the bear market to hit and wait till it goes down, or you could put it into projects that you think are going to go up, right? Or you can use it to dollar cost average into tokens or projects that are not doing as well. So those are your options, okay? And I like to do a combination of both. So I like to take some, put it in stable coin, put it on the side for my dollar cost average. I have DCA every Thursday, like clockwork. Doesn't matter what the price is. I DCA into Ethereum and Bitcoin and a little bit of Dogecoin. I do that religiously without. Doesn't matter what the price is, because as you know, that Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin. Well, 99% of the time. Right now, it's not. It's an outlier, and Bitcoin is going to outperform it's always going up. It goes up like 200% every year, on average. You know, sure, we have some years are better, some years are worse, but on average 200%. So you know, Bitcoin is it. And then also, guys, when you look at your portfolio profit, don't just look at it in dollar value. Also look at it against Bitcoin performance. So you know, sometimes you can have altcoins that from dollar value are down, but in terms of Bitcoin value, they could be up. So you need to look at the Bitcoin value too, and that's the best way to do it, guys. So guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. So go right here. Following my Twitter, we've got 2,505. Thank you very much. We're now at a milestone of 2,500 followers. Guys, don't forget to follow me. We got tips, tricks, news, all sorts of stuff, guys. And also, if you're missing the YouTube announcements or notifications, go right here, and you're going to get those notifications. And one last thing, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching to the end. If you're watching right now, it means you made it to the end. Congratulations. You get the golden star. And don't forget to remember, this channel would not be possible without all of you guys, all of my people in YouTube land, all of my subscribers, all my members. I just want to say God bless you. Thank you for making this happen. And remember this well. Please help the OG get the message out. Hit the likes. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, UIB. And then just briefly, guys, don't forget to check out all my links, my linky winkies in all of the videos. You can find it in the description below. And I've got links to Patreon. Become a Patreon member right there. Buy the channel coffee, and also become a channel member if you would. be so kind. And remember, all of these things go to charity. And the good news is the charity video of us giving away all the proceeds from all the donations for coffees and stuff, we're going to release that. And also, guys, channel members and the people who did contribute, at the end of the video, we've got all the credits roll, and we thank everybody for being there. And guys, don't forget to check out my merch. We got hoodies, we got hoodies, we got baseball caps, we got polo shirts, we got pajamas, and we got the infamous, the one, the only, get the mug, get the mug. It's right there. It's in real life. This is real. I love the mug, you love the mug. And don't forget to go to the wife's channel, Zen Music, and follow. Guys, get over there and hit that button, subscribe button. Also, kindly hit that button for me too. I mean, it would be funny if you subscribed to the wife's channel, but you didn't subscribe to the OG channel. That didn't make sense, right? So make sure you do that, turn on the bell notification. And guys, God bless each and every one. Thank you for being here. I just want to say God bless all of you. Thank you so much. This is Ric Flair of Crypto in the House. Crypto Love, the OG. God bless all of you. See you in the next one. Make every second count. Live life like it's your last, and make every single moment count. And spread the positive vibe. Dogecoin on the moon, guys. Let's get it together. You're gonna love it. I love it. Let's get it.